the way that it resonates with that person when it's like spot on to what's hitting their life in that moment. And they're like, there's no possible way that I could have known that. It's not me saying it. It's definitely the Lord. Like an answered prayer. That's one of my favorite things to do. Just being a vessel. If I'm answering your question, it's being a vessel. But man, that makes me feel so honored that God would use me like that.
One thing I'ma do, yeah. If I don't do nothing else. One thing I'ma do, yeah. If I don't do nothing else. One thing I'ma do, yeah. If I don't do nothing else. One thing I'ma do, yeah. If I don't do nothing else. I'ma praise His name. You know I'm gonna praise His name. I'ma praise, yeah, His name. You know I'm gonna praise His name.
One thing I'm gonna do is praise Him for days. Praise to the one who wipes tears from my face. Oh yeah. I'm gonna do. I'm gonna praise Him always. If it's
One